Today we're here seeing a concept demonstration which has been a collaboration between the RICO team, Universal Field Robotics and ECLIPS, enabled by the Defence Innovation Hub. And what we're seeing is the potential use of robotic systems and autonomy to handle artillery ammunition so that we can take soldiers out of that particularly difficult task and use robotics and autonomous systems in a deployed real-world environment. Some of the benefits that we hope to get out of this activity is to understand the application of robotics as part of the Army's robotic and autonomous systems strategy. One of the fields of benefit that we see from autonomy is around both efficiency and lightening the physical load on the soldier. And so the system that you're seeing today will help us to explore both of those ideas. From an efficiency perspective, we might be able to reduce the number of our soldiers in the artillery resupply system through the use of autonomy and robotic systems.
Artillery ammunition is heavy. It can weigh over 50 kilos per round. And an ammunition resupply vehicle will hold over 100 rounds of ammunition. So by using machine assistance to load the ammunition resupply vehicle, we're preventing musculoskeletal injury by doing that mechanically.
The next phase for this concept, I think, will be refinement around the robotic system that we use, tuning the sensors and the artificial intelligence machine learning, moving towards field trials potentially with soldiers operating the systems so that we can understand the future concept of operation in a realistic setting.
Army requires academia and industry working collaboratively with us to find the art of the possible.
The initial target was to get to a point where the machine could be tele-op controlled in order to complete the task. Once we then had reached that goal, we then pushed the bounds and see how far we could really take it with the autonomy. And we're proud to say that at the end of it, we're actually able to complete some of those systems in an autonomous nature, and which really kind of sets the scene going forward in the future phase of where we can actually take this project.
What we've shown here today is commercial off-the-shelf equipment, such as an excavator and communication systems that you would readily be able to find on the market. But going into phase 3, there's about 5 or 6 key objectives that we've got that will really bring this to life and actually be able to use it in the military environment.
This has been a really great opportunity to work really closely with both ECLIPS and Universal Field Robotics to deliver a really meaningful outcome for Army. It's great to work with small and medium-sized enterprise who are very agile in their approach to how they assess and address our problems, and also can be moving very fast towards solutions to generate them for Army's benefit.
Having been part of the Defence Force, I've seen the challenges firsthand in Afghanistan. We had contracted logistics support that would come into camp and remove waste. There were several security breaches out on operations where on occasion explosive devices had been hidden in sewage trucks and things like that.
By repackaging this modular waste system into a 6 metre container from a 12 metre container, it allows Defence to move and control the disposal of the waste themselves.
This solution that we've come up with is small, it's modular, it's fast, it's easily deployable, it's plug and play.
Being a single batch reactor tank, the process is quite easy and intuitive to understand.
One of the best things about Army Innovation Day is that you get their complex problem.
We can take what is known in other industries and we can translate that, and then the best technology that other industries enjoy, the defence industry can enjoy as well.
What we've seen here is some relatively mature capabilities, but being brought together under the guidance of ECLIPS to be iteratively developed to provide a capability greater than the sum of its parts.
It's satisfying knowing that we're actually building a product that Army can use and soldiers will appreciate. It will make their lives a hell of a lot easier, and that's what we want to do.